What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com doing a quick market review on Schlumberger. This morning was interesting. A lot of the optional stocks that I follow on a regular basis were getting beaten up. There was a lot of news out there about trade deals being done after the 2020 election. Markets weren't really interested in hearing that, and most everything I was watching this morning was selling off pre-market. But I want to say about a third, if not close to a half, of all of the optional stocks I was watching maybe somewhat recovered. Schlumberger, not so much. This thing sold off right out of the gate, took a very, very quick rip on this before it sort of rallied and got flat. What I'm looking at over here on this daily chart is not the best looking chart for Schlumberger. You can see that it's had its trouble over the last little while. And I mean years really, but Schlumberger today, a little bit of a gap down, and you can see right through here, boom. And so what I was doing was I was looking at this, and I got very, very interested in this bearish rejection candle that was rejected off of the 50 and the 200-day simple moving average. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to take out the previous candle low when the market opened. Boom, that's what we got right through here at 35.31. Got onto some options, bought some puts, and traded this thing short. Now, the thing with this is that I did cash out in profit, but I didn't take as much as I could have. Here's the thing. The target that I was looking at was actually an 88-cent target on the puts that I was trading, which I bought at 60 cents. I ended up selling them for 70 cents. Now, price action on the options side of things, the puts that I was looking at, got all the way down to 87 cents. I was right there waiting for that final push, and then this happened. Bullish rejection candle, pushed price action higher. The way that I was monitoring this is I took my original stop, I moved it much lower, I cut the trade off, and I banked 10 cents on the 60-cent puts that I was buying, and it was a relatively small gain. But again, you know, I was reducing the risk and was a little frustrated about the fact that I was a cent away from profit, but still ended up cashing out on the positive side of things with this short play on Schlumberger. Second trade for the week, 2 for 2 so far. 2 trades on, 2 trades profitable. So far so good. Not too upset about that. I'm going to be doing a full review on this trade tick for tick in the members area, and I'm also going to be going over front to back all of the stocks that we talked about pre-market in the members alert, and we're going to talk about that shortly here in a little bit, and Ask a Trader that's coming up at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So watch for that. But again, this is just a short recap on Schlumberger and what we were doing today. I think I held this for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes, I want to say. And again, it was a very, very simple short trade, primarily geared towards the short side all day, every day. Not a lot of trust and faith in stocks. So I like to hammer these things to the short side whenever I get an opportunity. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com.